Good morning, everybody. So today we're going to be working on the 59 Ford panel van, four-wheel drive. And we're going to try to finish the floor, or get as far as we can. We're going to work on the A-pillar right now and see how far we can get along today. It's a beautiful weekend. It's time to tinker. All right, good morning, everybody. What we're going to do today is try to get this A-pillar finished. So we've got to cut this rotted piece out here so that the new piece, which is right there, can fit in there flush. So I'll do my best to capture what. Okay, so this is showing me welding up the hinge pocket onto the A-pillar and welding the nuts on the back of it. Please excuse my back being turned to the camera. Didn't have it in a really good position. Hey, how's it going? All right, so we're welding up. I don't know if you can see over here yet, but we're welding up the A-pillar. We welded the fender. That was loose. Nobody had welded that. I can pick you up and show you what we're doing. So we're starting to weld. We got some more welding to do in here. We welded all along here. Getting that all set. It's nice and strong now. That thing ain't. So we'll bring you along. I did upgrade my welder from the Harbor Freight Flux Core welder to a Eastwood MP200i. I am not sponsored by Eastwood and or anyone. Gotta get some better gloves. These things are too thick. I've got some other ones, but I don't want to wear them. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna try doing some plug weld. Trying to do this plug weld, needs a little bit more. Wasn't quite reaching. Okay, did a little bit more. I actually ground them all down already, but I drilled some more holes and plug welded it so that it's solid on that side. So it's all welded to the inner lip here. I'm no genius welder, but I'm learning. That's what I say about everything, isn't it? Life is all about learning. And then I put a few tacks up there because that was loose up there also. So we got that. And we'll just let that age. Tomorrow, we're going to tackle that hole. All right, so I walked you through it. I got some other video on my sports camera. Sorry for just squinting. The sun is right in my eyes. So yeah, that's what we did today. We're going to continue tomorrow, and maybe we'll just make this all into one big video. But if not, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends, tell all your friends. And thank you very much for tuning in. Keep on tinkering.